In a world where technology is evolving at lightning speed, the future of jobs is being reshaped. Artificial intelligence, data science, fintech. These are no longer just buzzwords. They are the core of tomorrow's job market. And hence, for the first time in Kerala, AI-powered next-gen degree programs, BCA in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, BBA in E-commerce and Digital Marketing, BCom in Fintech with Artificial Intelligence are offered by Asian School of Business, Trivandrum, knowledge partner, Facebook Campus. These degree programs are approved by the Government of Kerala and awarded by Cochin University of Science and Technology. Do you know AI is going to create more than 27 lakhs new job opportunities in India by 2028? So, how do you prepare yourself for the evolving job market? Here comes Facebook Campus's unique approach for the same. Job-oriented degree, 80% hands-on learning, industry expert mentors, certifications in in-demand technologies, corporate-inspired classrooms, vibrant student life, paid internship opportunities, 100% assured placements. Our 16 years of legacy has made it possible to crack the code. We prepare you for success in an ever-evolving world. Your future begins here. Don't just get a degree, build a career that stands the test of time.